Hello, this is Shar from The Real Kitchen for Real People, and I hope that everyone is doing well. Today we're going to feature shrimp on the Barbie. As you can see, I have my shrimp here. It's about a pound of shrimp, and I'm soaking it in a little salt water. And that is what we're going to have this Friday. So, I'll get back with you. So first, what you want to do though is get your pound of shrimp, and as you can see, I have the jumbo shrimp. Is the frozen shrimp, or you could use fresh shrimp, but I'm gonna let it soak in this salt water for about 45 minutes, and I'll get back with you on what's next. Okay. See how that is? Take your piece of bacon and you wrap it around your shrimp. And then you stick that stick it on there, stick it through the bacon so it won't come off. And you can put several on one skew. I can't never get that right. Skew. And that's how it looks. And in the meantime, you get your fire ready on your grill, so that when you get through with this, your grill will be good and hot. So you continue this process until you've wrapped every piece of shrimp in the bacon. Okay, we're getting ready to put the shrimp on the Barbie. So we're waiting on the wood to get hot. Okay, as you see, it's pretty fired up. So we're going to put it on. Excuse the noise in the back, but I am outside. Now you want to put them on the grill. And this will be our dinner today. So it's just 3 of them, but you can do as many as you want. Okay, and the grill master says cook it until the bacon is done. Okay, they're ready. Getting ready to take them off. Okay, here it is. I'm getting ready to taste it. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. This is a shrimp on the Barbie from Grill Master. Mmm. 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 That is delicious.
Shrimp Bichette.
Shrimp Bichette.
Yes.
On the Barbie. Okay, that is delicious. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay, here it is. Plated, and we're getting ready to chow down. Don't it look delicious? Good deal, Grill Master. Okay, if you like this recipe, thumbs up and comment. And if you haven't already, subscribe so you can get these recipes automatically. Okay, now we getting ready to go down and chow down. All right, till next time. Love, love.